Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix left or right AirPod losing battery faster. For that, make sure that your charging port is cleaned properly, and also what you can do is reset the AirPods by holding back button for 15 seconds and ensure the micro and also what you can do is reset the AirPods by holding back button for 15 seconds and ensure the microphone setting is set to automatically switch. And also what you can do is scroll a bit till you see automatically switch, and what you can do is scroll down till you see microphone and tap on this and make sure automatically switch AirPods and make sure you have chosen automatically switch AirPods. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.